Hey guys, I'm just going to do the last question with you. I ran out of time on the last one. Okay, so we're just going to work on this one right here. So first we are going to simplify, so just have one of each expression, and then we're going to evaluate. So wherever we have an x, we're going to plug in -3, and wherever we have a y, we're going to plug in a 2. Oh, let me just move this down. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so equals. So I'm just going to put a box around my xy's. So that's an xy. That's not. This is. Always take the sign with it. Okay. And then our y squared. So let's do a little squiggly. Here's a y squared. And then that's a constant. So let's group our like terms together. So we have -2x. And then minus x squared, or sorry, xy. And then minus 5xy, minus 5xy. And then we have our y squared, so positive 3y. Positive 3y squared minus 4y squared. And then we just have a plus 2 at the end. So now let's simplify. -2xy, take away another xy, gives us -3xy. Oh, sorry about that. And we still have a -5xy with that. So I'll just put it here, -5xy. We'll add that in next step. Okay. Then we have 3y squared minus 4y squared. So it gives us -1. Y squared, and then a plus 2. Okay, so -3xy, take away another 5xy, gives us -8xy. And then we just have minus y squared, and then plus 2. So now, wherever we have an x, we're going to plug in -3. So we have -8 times, instead of y, it's -3. And then instead of times y, y is 2. We plug in a 2. And then subtract, instead of y, it's 2 squared. And then we still have plus 2. So now we can multiply this all together. Negative and a negative make a positive. So our answer is going to be positive. So 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. So it's positive 48. Minus. Now we have to do our squared. So 2 squared. And remember, because there's no number in front of that, it's a 1. So if you want, you could put a 1 there. Okay. So this is -1. And then 2 times 2 is 4. And then we still have plus 12. Okay, so in our calculators, this is 48. This is -1 times positive 4 gives us -4. And then plus 12. So you put it all in your calculator. Okay, so we can do 48 minus 4 plus 12. And that gives us... Sorry, one second. Did anyone else catch this little mistake that I did? For some reason, I put a 12 there. That's supposed to be just a 2. Okay, so I hope you guys caught that too. All right, so let's try this again. Move this over and clear. So we have 48 minus 4 plus 2. That answer looks a lot better. So our final answer is... equals, why aren't you working? Equals 46. So that's your final answer. All right, the end.